This is part 4 of the video walkthrough. To begin pa4.go, please go all the way back to the top of the PDF file. You'll see the steps involved. All right. Keep in mind, pa4 is the file upload server, and it is supposed to work with the pa3.go, the file upload client. So once you're done with the implementation, you are ready to do the testing. Now to test pa4.go, you need a client, which is your pa3.go. So bring it over here, all right? To do the testing, you do want to make sure that the dial-up address and the port number is going to correspond to where the server is. So if the server is locally on the machine you're starting pa3.go, then hey, you just need to use 127.0.0.1, which is to indicate going to the local machine. If you're running pa4 on the workstation, its IP address is 140.112.42.161. And if you're running pa3, the client, on your local machine, then you would definitely need to change the IP address of your pa3 to workstation's IP address. Now, this is assuming that the port number of pa4 is already what you have changed your pa3.go to. Why don't we walk through what I was trying to say there? So let me demonstrate. So this is running pa4 and pa3 both on Polly's MacBook. So this is local machine, same machine. Let me show you my pa4 directory. As I have already exercised client 102 and server 102, I have both files here. And I have finished implementing my pa4.go. I see also pa4.go here. I also did the bytecode compilation of my pa4.go. So you see the pa4 binary there. And I have also brought my pa3 over here and changed the IP address so that I have two versions convenient for me. One is to send the connection request to the local machine, and the other is to the workstation, okay, on NTU campus. Yeah, as you could see that I have obviously started pa4.go already, and it seems to be working, so I'm generating this whatever text file that you're supposed to generate as part of the assignment. So that's start pa4.go here. Run pa4.go. All right, so it's launched. So over the other terminal, let's run the client process. Now, because this is on the same machine, so I will just use the 127.0.0.1 IP address version. And by the way, you're seeing 11,999 here. That's because Polly's pa4 is running on this port number, so that I will not be conflicting with all you guys' port number. So let's see. What's wrong here? Oh, yeah, I forgot about the suffix. There we go. Yeah, let's send client 101.go. How about that? Client 102.go. Let's see. All right, so client here sends, it has already sent the file of 527 bytes, and it receives a message back from the server saying that the server receives exactly 527 bytes, and the server there generates another file that's 605 bytes. Note that the output file is 605 bytes because on the server you are asked to do what? Prepend the line count before each line. So the extra 605 subtracting 527 will be the extra bytes for the line counts. Good. So yeah, the numbers are consistent. We seem to be okay. Next is that you want to upload your pa4.go to the workstation. and do the testing there as well, just to make sure that Poly will see that your PA4 Go will be running okay on workstation. Let's log in there. SSH. And let me pretend that I'm one of you guys. Let's make it team 15. Well, yeah, because I know the name of the station is nslab1.e.ntu.edu.tw. That is slightly easier to memorize, so sometimes I forget. Yeah, I told you guys that the IP address is, and I encourage you to use the IP address. So, SSH username at the IP address of the workstation. Let's see. Yep, we're now trying to log in. Great. So I'm in. I'm on the workstation and the home directory of user CN team 15. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, a bunch of directories, I guess. Yeah, very much like you guys' home directory. Good. Now, let's create PA4, a subdirectory. Oh, sorry, not that. Make directory PA4. That creates a subdirectory. You should see PA4 showing up. All right. Let's go there. CD, changing the directory to PA4. There should be nothing here. Yep. And so we need to upload pa4.go over here. I'm just gonna do it in a fancier way. You guys feel free to use FileZilla and do the FTP to upload the pa4.go to the workstation. Let me just show you. If you use the terminal and if your machine has the S copy, secure copy, activated or installed, then you could do the same. So that I can save the effort to start FileZilla. So let's copy pa4.go over to, again, sorry, username at the machine. And we also need to specify the directory we want the file to go to. So tilde. This is the home directory of CN Team 1, and because we just created the PA4 subdirectory, let's copy pa4.go to our account's PA4 subdirectory. Oh, sorry. There's a typo here. I should not be getting this message. This is going to the other machine, so let's cancel that and change the IP address. There we go. Great. Let's hope. There. File, secure copy completed. And let's see. Yep, pa4.go is right here. So we could now execute pa4, your file upload server here. Great. Service launched. And I'll have to run this version here if I'm doing the client on my local machine. So I should be using this guy here, because the IP, the dial-up IP address is the workstation's IP address. Great. That's upload server 102 this time. Let's see. Great. So client says 572 bytes uploaded. So server 102 is longer than the client 102. And it receives, the server says it received 572 bytes and a file of 656 bytes generated. Complete match. Great. So that completes the testing for your pa4.go.